Tired of waiting in long lines, hunting down stamps, or, stressing out over missing the due date for your water bill? We've all been there, right? But the good news is, it's completely avoidable. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to discover the absolute easiest way to manage your water payments online in Los Angeles, totally hassle-free. We're going to cover everything from setting up your secure account to hitting that final submit button. So let's dive right in. So here's our game plan for today. We'll start by identifying your specific water provider, then we'll get your account set up, explore your payment options, look at automating and going paperless, and finally, we'll confirm that your online payment actually went through. All right, step 1. Identify your water provider. For this, you're going to need to check your paper bill.
Now, as you probably know, the greater Los Angeles area is absolutely massive, which means it's served by a bunch of different water utilities. There isn't just one magic website for everyone. So your very first mission? Grab your most recent paper bill and check the logo right at the top. Depending on exactly where you live, you might be with Golden State Water Company, LA County Public Works Waterworks Districts, or LADWP. Finding that logo is crucial because it tells you exactly which website portal you actually need to go to.
Moving right along to Section 2, Setting Up Your Account. Let's get you registered online.
Okay, so now that you know who your provider is, it's time to unlock your secure online dashboard. Setting this up is basically a 3-step dance across most of these portals. First, go to your specific utility's website. Next, locate the unique identifying numbers on your paper bill. And finally, register a strong, secure username and password. Now, a quick troubleshooting tip for you. If you ever happen to forget your login, don't panic. Portals like MyWham have super handy forgot username or retrieve password links right there on the main page to help you out.
So, take a look at the data points highlighted here. If you happen to be an LA County Waterworks customer using their MyWham portal, you'll want to look at the top right-hand side of your paper bill. See that? That's where you'll find your account number and your customer number. You absolutely need both of these specific numbers to create your digital profile, so keep that bill handy.
The really crucial point here is that security and verification checks actually differ depending on who your provider is. They want to make sure your data is safe. For instance, if you're with LADW, setting up an account means you need your account number plus a 4-digit access code. This might be a PIN you set up, or even the last 4 digits of your Social Security or tax ID number. On the flip side, the MyWham system for LA County relies on that specific customer number we just talked about. So just make sure you've got the correct info for your specific provider.
All right, Section 3, Exploring Payment Options. Let's talk about how to actually pay that bill. Once your secure dashboard is up and running, you actually have some really great flexibility when it comes to paying. You can manually authorize a one-time electronic e-check directly from your checking or savings account. Or, if you prefer, residential customers can use a credit or debit card like Visa or MasterCard. And here is a massive perk you're going to love. LAWP processes these residential credit card transactions completely free of charge. That's right, absolutely no pesky convenience fees. Which brings us to Section 4, Automating and Going Paperless, the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it method. If you want to unlock the absolute highest level of convenience, and let's be honest, eliminate all that annoying paper clutter on your kitchen counter, you've got to automate. Look, one-time payments are great, but the automatic payment service, that is a true set-it-and-forget-it game changer. For example, LADWP can automatically deduct the funds from your account about 10 business days after they issue your bill. It's seamless, and it means you can permanently say goodbye to writing checks, hunting down stamps, and dodging those dreaded late fees. And hey, if saving time isn't enough of a hook, how about some free money? There is a serious financial incentive for LADWP customers. You can actually earn a combined $25 in one-time bill credits literally just by updating your account settings. You get $10 for signing up for paperless billing and another $15 if you sign up for automatic payment for the first time. I mean, $25 just for making your own life easier? Yes, please. Finally, Section 5, Confirming your online payment. Let's make sure you know how to verify your receipt. Okay, we need to verify that your hard-earned money actually made it to the utility company. It is absolutely vital to know that a payment is not officially complete just because you typed in your card details. It is only considered received after you click Submit, the system approves it, and most importantly, they generate an online receipt or confirmation number for you. Do not close your browser tab until you see that number right there on your screen. As a rule of thumb, always download or print a copy of that receipt page for your own records. You should also get an automated email confirmation shortly after. Now, if you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam folder immediately. To stop this from becoming a troubleshooting headache down the road, it's a great idea to proactively add your provider's email domains, like at lacounty.gov or at fisgov.com, to your email-safe senders list. That way, those crucial payment confirmations never get lost in the digital void.
Now, just a quick disclaimer to wrap things up. While this explainer gives you a really comprehensive overview based on current information, things like utility policies, website interfaces, and customer support numbers can definitely evolve over time. So always refer directly to your official LADWP, LA County Waterworks, or Golden State Water website for the absolute most current updates and official support info.
So, grab that paper bill, fire up your computer, and take control of your time and your payments today. But I want to leave you with one final thought. Now that your water bill is fully digitized, automated, and totally out of your mental inbox, you're probably going to have a much clearer, immediate view of your actual month-to-month water consumption right on your dashboard. Will having all that data literally at your fingertips inspire you to change your daily habits and conserve a little more? Thanks for joining me on this explainer. Reclaim your time and, hey, maybe even save a little water while you're at it.